Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I'm going to cover lecture 2. Let's see what are the things inside lecture 2. We have geometrical construction and also tangency under lecture 2. So we go for the geometrical construction first. Okay. So now what is defined as construction? Okay. So construction in geometry means to draw shapes, angles or line accurately. Okay, this construction usually you have to use compass, straight edge meaning a ruler or T-square and a pencil in order to draw the construction, geometrical construction. Okay, so this one is we call as a pure form of geometric construction where no number involved. Now let us see what are the things that goes under construction. Okay, so under construction, geometrical construction, we have point and lines. Okay, so a point is used to represent a location in space but has no width, height, or depth. Okay, so for example, it is a cross of a line. So in the middle where the line cross we call as point. Okay, so this one are the example of point. Okay, while the line in drawing represent the edge of the solid object. Okay, so you have straight lines, you will have also arc, free curve, and also perpendicular lines. Okay, so all these things goes under lines. Apart from points and line, we also have angles. Okay, so this is the common angles that used in the geometrical construction. You have 360, we call it as complete circle. Straight angles for 180 degrees, right angle for 90 degrees, and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Okay, more than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle, and if there is two angles combined together and make it into 90 degrees, we call it as complementary angles, while for A and B angles is combined and become 180 degrees, we call as supplementary angles. Under geometrical construction, we have some basic shape that you have to know. We have triangles, okay, such as equilateral triangles and isosceles triangle. And then we have circles, we have heptagon, octagon, pentagon, and all the polygons. And then we have quadrilaterals, like rhomboid and trapezoid, and also arc. As for triangle, the two type of triangles that you have as instrument is very useful in order to form the triangle. Okay, so what are the things that we have on these triangles? For the 45-degree triangles, you will have 45, 45, and also 90 degrees angle on the triangle. And 30-60 triangle, you are going to have three type of angles. You have 60, 30, and also 90. Okay, so this is a very useful combination for you to draw different type of angles. Okay, so these are the some of the example on how you want to combine 30, 60 degree and 45 degree triangle in order to form different type of angles. Okay, so in this one, whenever you have to draw the lines with angle, you can refer to this one on how to place your triangles and how you want to combine the triangles in order to draw the line with the angles. Okay, now we go on the basic geometrical construction on how to bisecting a line or circular arc. Okay, so for example, you're given a line or an arc, and then you have to divide it in the middle. Okay, bisect. So meaning that we have to bisect it in the middle. So what you have to do is you need a compass. So what you have to do, you put your compass at A to B, and then you put at 1 here, and then you construct this arc over here. And then when you put it at B, you construct another 2 arc that intersect at point D and E. Okay, so now once you already have the point here, you can easily use any straight edge like triangle or your T-square to connect both of these points. Then you will bisect the arc or the line in the middle, right in the center. Okay, so it's quite easy. Other than that, you can also bisecting line with triangle and T-square. Let's say you have a line A and B, given line, and then you have to bisect it in the middle. So what you have to do is using the 45-degree triangles, and then you just draw a line, go to the center from both sides, and you will get point C. This point C will be in the middle of the point A and B. So what you have to do is just connect the line to the middle of this part. Then you can bisect the line. Same when it is the same if the line is vertical. This one is for the horizontal line and this one is for the vertical line. Okay, then how are you going to bisect an angles? The same method used actually. Okay, so what you have to do, this one is the given angles, it's given here. So you use your compass and put it at A and then draw an arc with any radius. Okay, so by using this radius, you will construct 2 points at line AC and line AB. Okay, so by using this one, you can use any radius, maybe smaller in radius, okay, and put it at point F, and then construct one line by using the same radius, put it on E, and then you can construct another line, and you will find intersection at point D. Okay, so once you get this one, you can directly connect the lines by using the straight edge. Okay, next, how you want to do the transfer of angles. Okay, let's say you are given A, B, C, D over here, A, B, A, C, like this one, and then you have to transfer it to the new location like this one. Let's say the A and B location is given. Then how are you going to transfer this line C? Okay, so what you have to do is, first you connect this one by using any radius using the compass, construct an arc with any radius, and then using the same radius, you convert it over here also on the line AB at the new position. Okay, so the radius, make sure that it is the same. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to construct the line here E to this point. Okay, so the intersection on over here, so you construct an arc over here, and then using the same radius, construct the arc here. Then you will find the intersection of point over here, point C dot. Okay, so then you can connect directly from A to the C dot, A dot to the C dot. Then you transfer the you already can transfer the angles with equal space. Okay, next we want to see the drawing of a line parallel to a line at a given distance. Let's say if you are given R value, meaning the distance in between AB and also GH, it is given as CD. Let's say this is what they want. Okay, so you are given line AB, and then you want to draw a parallel line that is with the dimension here in between this line is CD. Okay, so we assume that it is as radius. Okay, R equal to CD. So what you have to do, find any point on line AB, several points. Okay, let's say for this one they choose as 2 because of the straight line. See, so at point E, construct the arc by using the distance CD. Okay, R value here, CD over here, and construct another arc over here. And then what you have to do is just connect in between these two arcs. Okay, so meaning the tangent of this arc, and then you will get the value. other than that, you can also draw a line from the unstraight lines here, and then you have to draw a very similar line, meaning the parallel line to this line. So what you have to do is just repeating the same method, only that in here, since you have curve, so you have to divide more point on this one. Okay, so then what you have to do, you just construct the arc with the same radius value. Okay, and then what you have to do is just connect this line together, okay, to the tangent of the arc.